The Karnataka High Court has refused to grant interim relief to Bengaluru dermatologist Dr. Sharanya Padma, who is facing criminal proceedings over alleged misinformation about Nandini dairy products posted on Instagram. The case, Dr. Sharanya Padma versus State of Karnataka, was filed after the Karnataka Milk Federation complained that she posted Instagram reels calling certain Nandini products, including strawberry-flavoured milk and other beverages, unsafe for consumption, toxic and containing chemicals that could cause health issues. Following the complaint, the Malleshwaram police registered a criminal case. Dr. Padma, who works at a private hospital in Bengaluru and runs a clinic in Malur district, approached the High Court seeking quashing of the proceedings. However, the court refused interim relief and sought responses for the state government and Karnataka Milk Federation. Her counsel argued that her remarks were limited to flavoured milk products and not Nandini milk in general. During the hearing, Justice M. Nagaprasanna made strong observations, stating that social media cannot be used to create panic among public without scientific basis. He questioned whether she had tested the products, whether she was certified to make such claims, and whether the allegations were made to any competent authority. The court also noted that statements describing milk as spurious or unsafe were made without scientific testing, warning that unverified Instagram claims could cause unnecessary panic and that social media is not meant for such assertions. It further observed that if a product is unsuitable, individuals may avoid it but should not spread panic without evidence. The High Court will continue hearing the case after receiving responses from the state government and Karnataka Milk Federation. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.